Alberta is in an unprecedented affordability crisis.
The NDP putting forward a plan to boost Alberta's minimum wage, now the lowest in Canada at $15. The opposition's Bill 201, the Protect Workers' Pay Act, proposes $1 more each year starting this December, arriving at $18 an hour in 2027.
When is this government going to stop making up excuses and start raising wages?
If we were going to raise the minimum wage in the dramatic fashion the NDP is proposing, we would first like to consult businesses and ask them how it's going to affect them. That's how this works.
Not good enough, says the NDP. The Alberta Living Wage Network now pegs that number at $20.85 an hour in Edmonton and $24.45 in Calgary.
More and more Albertans are treading water, worried about going under, struggling to make ends meet.
Alberta's minimum wage has not increased since 2018. The UCP actually lowered the rate for youth workers, but Bill 201 also seeks to scrap that.
We have the lowest minimum wage and the highest youth unemployment, which means that supply and demand are completely imbalanced. In short, it means people are not seeking employment because they're just not paying enough for them to be able to get by. That's one reason.
The finance minister does not support an increase at this time, and he did not say when a bump might be coming.
Well, I would look more at the unemployment rate number, seeing it in the elevated 7s and low 8s, that makes it a challenge.
This professor in economics also concerned about Bill 201's effect on youth unemployment.
One thing that it could do, a higher minimum wage could do, is induce younger individuals to search in a labor market that they aren't currently searching in. And that increased search amongst youths could increase the youth unemployment rates.
Bill 201 also seeks to regulate who gets your tips. A similar NDP bill failed to pass in 2024.
This bill would make sure that the employees who worked for the tips earn the tips. It excludes managers and owners from the tip pool unless they perform the same duties as staff.
The NDP bill would also tie the minimum wage to inflation. If that had been done in 2018, they claim, it would already be $18.50, closer to BC and Ontario. From Edmonton, Sean Amato, City News.